Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn how we can create employee folders, and if we have the multiple folders or if we need to create a multiple folders, then which option we can use. So first, if we need to create the folders of the name of employees, so how we can create? First, we have the option which is manually, like I simply go here, and after that we simply type your name. This is first. Then we simply go here, new folder, then again right here Michael Johnson, then second, and so on. But if I try to create the folders, and if we have the big data, so it will take lot of time, and it will take maybe hours if we have the data more than the hundreds or even in thousands. So how we can create the folders with the name of employees in a seconds? Like if we have the 1,000 names, so how we can create the 1,000 employee folders with the name in seconds? So we simply use here short Excel trick. So first, what we need to do here, we simply use here a single formula. And which formula we use here? We simply write here equals to inverted comma, then type here MD space, again we type here inverted comma, then and sign, then we need to insert 4 times inverted comma, then and sign. After the and sign, we need to select the name of the employee or the name of the folder. So we want the name of the folder with the employee, so select this cell. Now again we use and sign and 4 times inverted comma, then enter. Now we have done this. Now what we need to do, we simply need to drag this formula to the end. So we have created this type of file. Now what we need to do, we simply need to copy the data. After copying the data, we need to go here, and we need to go here in the notepad. Now paste the data. We have pasted all the formulas or all the data by using the formula. Now in the file option, we go here in the save as. In the save as, what you need to do, you simply need to select the destination. Like in my data, I need to assign, or I need the destination of downloads. And now what you need to do, you need to write here folder. Like if I type a folder name and use bat. Now save as type, we type or we select here all files. Now what you need to do, you need to simply save. In this way we have completed our this function. Now what you need to do here, we simply go here in the tabs in the download, and in the download you can see here the name which we have used, folder. And now I simply need to double click on it, so it will run, and here you can see we have created the list of the folders by using the employee names. This is how we have created the thousands, or you can create the more than thousands for folders by simply using the Excel trick. This is the power of Excel. If you face any issue while creating the folders, you simply write in our comment section. We will surely get back to you.